The debt-equity ratio is a ratio used to assess a firm's leverage. It's a ratio of total debt to total equity of the firm. Now we need to consider two different cases. The first case, book debt-equity ratio. This is a ratio of total debt to book value of equity. Book value of equity equals shareholders' equity on the balance sheet. The second case is market debt-equity ratio. This is a ratio of total debt to market value of equity. Market value of equity equals the value of market capitalization. Market capitalization equals market price times numbers of shares outstanding. But the book debt-equity ratio is not especially useful as it is difficult to interpret the book value of equity. It is the market debt-equity ratio that is mostly used. One example. Company A has both short-term debt and long-term debt. Based on this information, we can calculate its total debt. The market value of equity is $105 billion. So this is the market value of equity, and we will get a market debt-equity ratio of 13%. This means Company A's debt is around 13% of the market value of its equity. Now let's learn how to calculate enterprise value. Enterprise value equals market value of equity plus debt and minus cash. Let's do some practice. In January 2018, Company B had 315 million shares outstanding with a price of $40 per share. It also has cash, which is worth $1 billion. The market debt-to-equity ratio is 7.99, while the book debt-to-equity ratio is 3.70. Question 1. What was Company B's market capitalization? Question 2. What was its enterprise value? To calculate Company B's market capitalization, we need to use share price multiplied by the numbers of shares outstanding. In the end, we get $12.60 billion. This is the market capitalization. It's also the market value of equity. Question 2. How to calculate enterprise value? The market debt-to-equity ratio equals 7.99, so the book value of equity is equal to market capitalization divided by 7.99. In the end, we have $1.57 billion. The book debt-equity ratio equals 3.70, so total debt equals 3.70 times book value of equity. We get $5.80 billion. In the end, Company B's enterprise value is equal to market value of equity plus debt and minus cash. We have $17.4 billion as the enterprise value. Thank you for watching.